Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson. So since that we have our IDE set up now, let's actually go ahead and run this calculator app that we actually created in the previous section. Again, I just want to show you that you can actually run it pretty easily and comfortably in an IDE without any trouble, anything like that. So let's go ahead and run this. Again, I have the code that I provided to you guys, and if I run this, it's going to run it pretty simply. I'm just gonna ask me what's the first number. I'm gonna say 20, and I'm just gonna say, for example, plus, that's the operation. And what's the next number? I'm gonna say let's say 20 or 10 maybe, and there you go, we got 30, and we can actually use that number 30, calculate with it again. So I'm just gonna say yes, and I'm going to pick an operation. I'm gonna say add, and we're going to add maybe 50 to it, and we're going to get 80. See guys? And if I say no, it's going to restart and go to the first number. So just like that, we have our calculator app ready, and and just like that guys, we now are using IDEs and we're running everything cleanly and easily locally, and our codes are going to be running pretty nice and comfortably. So I'm really excited about what we can do with these things, and moving forward we're going to do a lot of practices and a lot more interesting projects with the IDEs. So I'm really excited. So let me know if you have any questions, especially about PyCharm or Visual Studio, whether you wanted to go with, and I'll see you in next lessons guys.